A well-organized closet can help reduce clutter and make life more efficient. But sometimes, the sheer volume of stuff you have makes it hard to figure out where to start. In this video, we'll take a look at bedroom closet organization ideas that can help you get your closet in order. From hanging space to baskets and bins, we'll show you how to make your bedroom closet more efficient and organized. 1. Organize by category. When you're organizing a closet, it can be helpful to group items by category. So even if you don't have an extensive pants collection, you will still save a lot of time if you organize your clothing by type of item, not color. 2. Label like crazy. Labeling is important in closet organization because it lets you keep track of your items. You can easily find what you're looking for instead of having to rifle through piles of clothes or dig through drawers and bags. Labeling also helps organize your space so that when you do a major cleanup or reorganization, it's easier to get back into order after the project is done. 3. Give long and short items enough hanging space. Instead of folding dresses over on themselves or letting them puddle on the floor, plan for an array of differently sized hanging spaces. This way, everything stays neater and you'll have dedicated areas for your different garments. 4. Hang jewelry and accessories. If you don't have a drawer space dedicated to pieces of jewelry and other accessories, hanging organizers with pockets are an easy way to keep them organized. 5. Use space-saving hangers. Instead of using plastic or wooden hangers, try velvet ones. Their non-slip streamlined design will double the amount of hanging space in your closet and help keep clothes off the floor. Enjoying the video? Then give a like and share with your friends to help the channel. 6. Use shower rings. Shower rings are another great way to organize your bedroom closet. You can use them to hang your jewelry, scarves, and belts. This will help you keep all these items in one place and make it easy for you to find them when you need them. 7. Use soda tabs to add extra hanging space. Need more hanging space? Simply slide soda tabs through the holes on your hangers and use them as hooks to hang more items. This will keep similar articles of clothing organized and easy to find. Isn't that clever? 8. Store items in small baskets and bins. Organizing a bedroom closet doesn't have to be a chore. In fact, it can be fun. Instead of cramming everything into one big space, try organizing garments into small baskets and bins so you can easily see what you have. This will help you find what you need when it's time to get dressed in the morning. 9. Add an island. If you have a walk-in closet, consider adding an island to the center of it. This will provide extra storage space with shelves and drawers. It also makes folding clothes easier by providing a flat surface for folding. 10. Color coordinate. Color coordinating your wardrobe can make finding clothes easier. It also helps you match different pieces together for a more stylish look. You can't go wrong with a color-coordinated bedroom closet. 11. Add floating shelves. Floating shelves have dual functionality. They are attractive to look at and offer a way to showcase items in your closet, such as shoes, bags, and other accessories. They also provide extra storage, especially if you have limited closet space. By using floating shelves, you can make the most of your closet space and give your room a stylish look that goes well with other pieces. 12. Give vacuum sealing a try. Use vacuum-sealed storage bags to create more space in a small closet or store items without taking up any room. There are no special tools or equipment for this trick. Some drawstring trash bags and a home vacuum will do the job just fine. Store your vacuum-sealed items on the top shelf of your closet or in storage until you're ready to use them again. Easy, right? These bedroom closet organization ideas will help keep your closet organized and tidy so you can easily find what you need when you need it. Do you have any other bedroom closet organization tips? Share them with us in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Also, get your free ebook in the description box below, which includes my favorite recipes and natural health tips.